kids are cool. We vlog at the pool, and we vlog after school. We vlog as a family, we vlog every day. And none of us are bored at night!
All right, good morning. It's Thursday. Girls are getting ready to go to school. And we're going to be studying Abigail's vocabulary test.
No, we gotta go.
We'll go and we'll...
No, we gotta go if we want to make it exact same time.
We'll be okay.
No, here, we'll study in the car.
We're going to study in the car. Is that okay, Abigail?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's do this. Thursday, coming at you and you and you and you. A pretty heart for her pretty sister. Love, Emily. Hey, look at the tree up here. It's turning colors. Fall is amongst us. And you know what else is amongst us?
Dad, let's go!
Birth.
Dad, let's go!
These people are waiting for birth. Birth of their first child. All right, so we're early again today. 2 days in a row. I think that's definitely a record.
Dad, let's go!
Here's how far back we are today. And I think we're here earlier today than we were yesterday.
We were.
We were here earlier yesterday?
Yesterday we were at 8:04.
Okay.
It's 8:08.
So this is the difference of 4 minutes.
Able to do things on your own. I'm just going down the list.
Independent.
Yes. Yuck, nasty,
This kid and her vocabulary words.
What?
Yuck,
They're
nasty,
doing awesome.
or unpleasant. What was that?
Disgusting.
Mm-hmm. Very pleasant or tasty or smelly. Yeah. Some. No, I didn't.
Good job, Abby. Good job. All right, we're going to get ready and drop them off to go to school. See ya. Good morning. Hey, good morning. So I'm at work. I just ran into my boss. He actually came in my room, showed me this cool YouTube thing, Old Greg. Have you ever seen it? Check it out.
I'm old Greg, but then how come this hook's in my head, fool? You ever drunk Baileys from a shoe?
And now I'm editing a video, or an interview that we did yesterday with Patricia Fernandez. Came out really good, the interview. We'll see how it comes out edited, but it should be good. Busy day ahead. Got a lot to do. Like I said, this is odd that I'm here on a Thursday. So, all right. So I'm working on this. It's going pretty good. Came out good. I believe it's just over 5 minutes. We like to keep them around 3, but Patricia Fernandez is a very good interview. So we chose to use more, and it's entertaining. I like it. It's coming out good. All right, so Morgan just came in. She QC'd my our interview with Patricia Fernandez, and came out good. Really happy with it. Here's a piece of it right now.
Are you ready for the quick questions?
Oh man, yeah. Let's try. I don't have my helmet on, so I don't know how prepared I am.
All right, and what's your favorite racetrack?
Laguna Seca or Barber. I love elevation changes.
And then look, I just got a text from the wife. You look great, wife. Thanks for the text. All right, so that's it. Day is over here. On my way home. All right, Wendy, well, it was nice talking to you on the phone. And I'm sorry I interrupted your time out on the back veranda at work. Okay. Have fun. Bye. That's not the way up to the train. All right, so I'm getting a special lunch. That's right, we're at the Golden Arches. No Big Mac today, though. Breakfast for lunch and breakfast for dinner. They're now serving at McDonald's. Check it out. McDonald's breakfast review for lunch and dinner is I kind of got to give it a thumbs down. I don't like the variety or the lack of variety they're giving you. I just had an egg and sausage biscuit, which wasn't bad. And I had hash browns. Hash browns, man, you can't beat hash browns. I love them. And the sausage and egg biscuit was a thumbs up. But the variety they offer you, no McMuffins at all. No sausage McMuffin, no egg McMuffin, nothing. That, thumbs down. Yeah, and on top of all those McDonald's ratings, I'm home now, and I'm hungry. I'm still hungry. I don't understand it. I think there's something wrong with me. All right, so I'm home. Now it's 4 o'clock. Time to pick up the kids off the bus. So I just heard on TV, if you're 40 years old, around there, you've been alive for 14,000 days, approximately. That's crazy to think. 14,000 days I've been alive. More than that, obviously. Wow. That's a lot of days. But the crazy part about those 14,000 days, how many days can you pick out as a favorite? Not even a favorite, just one you can remember. Try it. See how many you get. Hey girls, if you're watching this 5, 10, 15, 20 years from now, I just want to let you know that this is one of my favorite things to do, to get you girls off the bus. I love to see your smiles, and I love to get hugs. I wonder if that'll happen today.
Where's Mom and
See ya.
Alright, look at that girl. She has to walk all the way up there.
How was your day?
Good. Now what? Oh.
You ready?
Go where?
You have a tough day?
Mommy pig.
All right, so Mommy came home from work, yay! And we're all going to dance together. Because we got some errands to run while we're at dance.
Hello guys, right now we just got to dance and we brought the families and I want to show you something.
Look at this cool car.
The car has eyelashes on.
You gotta be closer.
Okay. Here.
There you go.
Here's one.
Go around the side too.
Let's just touch it about the left and left.
Oh, cool. Which one do you like?
The one that has the big bow.
Oh, the one that has a big bow?
Yes.
Maybe we'll get you a big bow then, Abigail. All right, so we decided after dropping Emily off at dance, we're coming to have dinner. Because everyone's starving. I'm starving, you're starving, I'm starving. Then we're going to go to the grocery store.
Should we make a list so we're...
Okay, so dinner was pleasant. Now we're heading to Harris Teeter. All right, so we got Emily from dance. The night doesn't end. We're now at Walmart. What's the deal with these gold balls?
That's where you can make a key.
Oh, really?
Look, it's shaking. I like that.
What are you guys doing? Are you guys buying M&Ms?
Yeah, buying all these. Okay. Nom nom. Ew. You're disgusting.
Yeah, you don't know if that came out of someone's pocket. Great, Abigail eating dirty M&Ms in Walmart. Okay, so I'm looking for Abigail. Oh, look, I found Abigail's shoes. I found her shoes, but I don't know where she is. Is she up there? Is she over here? Abigail, where'd you go? I can't find you, Abigail. I don't know where she went. This is crazy. Where'd she go? There she is! Is the stuff broke back there? Is it broken stuff back there? Alright, well, why don't you come back out? Is that how you got through?
Yeah, I could.
Yeah, we're still at a busy night here. Now we're at
Dancing made me hungry.
oh, dancing made you hungry? So you're gonna get a little protein in your butt. Here's Emily. You're getting tuna. What's Abigail getting? Oh, Abigail, you're getting turkey and cheese? Yummy. Huh? All right, so the boy here in the red shirt over there, he just bought 2 fish.
Black one and a orange one. You can only really see the orange one. You can't really tell.
We're wondering if he is going to swallow them. You think he's gonna swallow them, Emily?
Why would a teenager get bit?
As a pet. Wouldn't you like a pet fish?
They would most likely get.
You wouldn't want a pet fish? Well, if you could get a pet, what kind of pet would you get?
A puppy.
A puppy?
Yeah.
Okay, a puppy. All right. Hey, Abigail, did you see what he's got?
Got bit.
Look, he's got fish. All right, so the next stop after Walmart is the gas station. And then we're going to McDonald's. No, we're not. All right, so we made it home from Walmart, McDonald's, gas station, dance, Harris Teeter, and pen subs. Now we're home. Busy night.
Busy night for us, Ryebreads.
Can you all be?
Hey, you ready for some more Ryebreads? Yeah, me too. Just click over here to check out our family's journey. We're a family of 4 here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Just providing some daily entertainment on YouTube. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.